Hi everybody, this is Shahriar, and today in this video I'm going to be answering one of the questions that was asked by somebody, and the question was, what is a property management software? So a property management software is basically a software that allows you to manage your properties. This software can be used by almost anybody. If you are an individual investor who have multiple properties and it's becoming a bit hard to manage, a property software will be able to help you manage all of your properties and everything that is linked to that property management within a software. Things become very easy when you're working with a property management software because now you don't have to remember everything. The software basically helps you manage almost everything that comes into property management. The property management software can be used by property management consultants, agencies, businesses, no matter how big your portfolio is. Property management software is have the ability to help you with any number of properties. Now, the property management software that I'm currently looking at is by Nextex. We're based in Sydney. This property management software allows you to manage multiple properties, be able to manage it through a computer, a tablet, or a mobile, whichever platform you're used to using. And it has many different features. Watch out one of the other videos that I'll link to this video where I've showed how the program works and how it may be able to help you with your property management. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.